Do you guys ever play GTA 5 online in the Halloween version? Right? But it's always that alien ship. But every time when you try to go, that's just like, wee, gone. So yeah. So first I gotta pause this video. Then I can show you guys my car. Here's my character. It's pretty nice. I'm an Xbox. Wow, you can't even see my Xbox. Wait, guys, just ignore that. I can't play while I holding the phone. Can you guys see? Here we go. I'm gonna show you fully of my screen. Here we go. Uh-oh. Damn. And this is what I always do for fun. Wait, watch this. Oh, dang it. Oh, damn. Ow. Well guys, I'm gonna create another video again.